Hey, y'all, check it out, man. The man is back in the building. We over here, Montclair, New Jersey. Old Dog Fitness in the house. Vinny, man, all the dudes, it's always about the chest for me, man. How your shirt fit. You walk in the barbecue, you walk in the birthday party, and your shirt looking right, and your chest looking right, and them arms looking right. The ladies, they gonna look, man.
Well, everybody loves chest day, right? Monday's always National Chest Day, they say, and everybody loves it. So I always say, if you do no other exercise in the world, the one exercise that's pretty much going to build your entire upper body is the push-up. That's the granddaddy of them all. That's the one you want to learn. And again, if you do nothing else, you do your push-ups, and you're going to build up your upper body.
Vinny, how old are you?
58.
All right. So you could do a little beginner push-up joint for us, man?
Yeah, sure. So if you've never done a push-up before, if you say I can't do a push-up, well, if you can't get down on the ground in a parallel position and do a push-up, you could still do a push-up. We could start over here on the wall.
Check them out, y'all.
So I'm going to come up on the balls of my feet.
Check them out.
Like so. And I'm going to press back and forth.
Get them triceps, y'all. You see it.
Okay. So you do that and you just did a push-up. And you want to do those all the time, every day, every chance you get. And that's going to start you on your way to doing them. And the thing with the push-up is, so basically the push-up is mainly is a chest exercise, and depending on your hand position when you do that exercise, how much of the chest you get in. So if I come out with a nice wide grip when I do a push-up, I'm working mostly chest and the upper shoulders, and then secondarily the triceps to extend my arms. As I bring that hand position in closer to my body, to the center of my body, I'm bringing more of the tricep in. So I'm taking more off the chest and adding more to the tricep, which is going to make the push a little bit harder. So even on that wall push-up, you want to vary your hand position in order to engage the chest more or less and engage the triceps more or less. So when you do that, you're going to come wide, you're going to come close, and you're going to come closer. And every push-up variation that you do is going to be the same thing. It's just a matter of changing your hand position. So once you get comfortable doing them on the wall,
check them out, y'all.
We can come down to the ground or the floor, and you start on your knees.
How many days a week you do push-ups, Vinny?
Oh, at least 4 or 5.
How many you do when you do them?
It all varies. I might do 100, I might do 200. It depends on how many sets I do and what I'm working out that day. But I try and get at least some in every day.
All right, cool.
Okay. So when you start on your knee push-ups, you want your legs in close to your body and your feet nice and close. You don't want your butt extended back here, and you don't want your body sagging down to the ground.
Check them out, y'all.
So you'll see a lot of people do these push-ups, and what they'll do is they'll just kind of drop their upper body down like they're kissing the ground. That's not what you want to do. You want to keep your body nice and straight, looking like a check mark almost.
Check them out.
Everything nice and tight, squeeze the butt, and you're basically going to rock down on your knees. The knees are your pivot point.
Old Dog Fitness, y'all. 58 years old. You see it. That money clean.
Okay, so the main thing with that.
That's for the beginner right there?
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And another way to build up your strength for push-ups in order to get ready to do them is just to do a straight plank position. Hold that plank position. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to get in a push-up position. And again, I don't want to do this and I don't want to do that. I want nice and straight. You're going to engage the core and I'm just going to hold it, okay? And that's going to build up the strength in the muscles that I need in the chest, the shoulders, and the arms to do the push-ups. Okay, so you did your wall push-ups, and in between that and the knee push-up, you could also do them, say, like on a retaining wall or your kitchen counter.
Check them out,
something a little lower. Same thing.
The couch?
Anything, yeah, anything that's off the ground. Because as I'm here, it's easier to push. As I come closer to the ground, more parallel, it's going to get harder to push. So I start at the wall, maybe I'll go to the kitchen counter, maybe I'll go to the couch, go to my knees. Now when I feel good with all that, I'm going to do a regular push-up. And again, line up with my arms straight down from my shoulders. Standard push-up, you're just about a little bit more than shoulder width.
Get them triceps, y'all. You see it.
And again, the main thing here is I want to keep my body nice and tight.
Body straight.
I don't want sagging.
Don't sag.
And I don't want this. Okay, now we're just going to come down.
Clean. Clean. Now, Vinny, you breathing on every rep?
Yeah.
Or sometimes I do them, it's like every other rep.
Yeah, most people probably do the same thing. A lot of times you're holding a breath to get those last few out. But in general, any exercise that you do when you exert, like in other words, when I'm pushing up, I'm exerting, so I want to breathe out. So basically, I'll exaggerate it, but I'm breathing in, and I'm breathing out as I'm coming up. Because that's when you're exerting yourself, that's when you're using your muscle. But again, a lot of that goes out the window when things start getting crazy and you're towards the end of your set and you're trying to squeeze out those last few reps. But in general, that's the way you want to do it. So that's it. And again, the other thing with this is that if I come in nice and tight, you've heard the term like military push-up, close grip push-up, a tricep push-up. Again, as I bring my hands in, if I'm in here, I'm engaging way more tricep than I am chest. So this is generally, for most people, is going to be a harder push.
Check them out, y'all.
Okay, so that's really it. It's pretty basic. You do that, and the only variable is going to be your hand position. And that's it. Start at that wall, and you work your way down. And again, if you do no other exercise, you never do any type of exercise, anything. If you pick one, you want to pick that push-up, because it's really going to hit your whole upper body.
My man, my man. Vinny, Instagram, YouTube, anything?
Old Dog Fitness.
Hey, y'all, that link going to be underneath this video. Vinny, appreciate you, man.
Thanks, Sean.
Peace.